Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girls and welcome Laka, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am doing the waist wrap video. So this is a video that you guys have been requesting. I've done reels on Instagram, but it seems like people are complaining because it is short videos and they want to see like long videos that are live. Well, I'm doing it because reels are quite short. I'm sure you guys have seen this on TikTok, the trend of this, people wearing it and people transforming their bodies. So mine is a 4 centimeter. So this is a 4 centimeter, guys, and this is the width of it. So this is quite thick. This is thick. It needs to be this thick. That's why people are complaining on TikTok and Instagram that theirs is not working. It's because it's this small, like the width comes to here. So that's why people are complaining, and it needs to be like this. It needs to be very thick and it needs to be long so that you can cover every single part of your body and it can look good, because once it is not thick and once it is not long, then it seems like certain parts of your body are not tucked in and it does not look good, and I think it rolls. People have been complaining that it keeps on rolling if it's not thick enough. So this is thick, guys, and this is the width. I'll insert videos of TikTokers that have posted about this. I'll insert it over here so that you guys can see as well. I relatively don't have a big stomach, but I have this on my collection and this is going for 450. This is a 4 meter. This is 4 meters and this is the width of it. So guys, without no further ado, let us jump straight into the video. So this is it over here. I'll show you properly though when we're doing the video. So let's go. I thought let me just show you my body before I do this. So this is me. So this is my stomach, so you guys can see relatively I don't have a big stomach, and this is me at the back. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out of the way. So going straight into this, can you guys see how long it is? Can you see? Are you able to see this? Oops. Ugh. So this is how long it is. Like, it's quite long, you guys. So yeah, this is it. This is the band that I have. Let us jump straight into it. Whew. Okay, let us do this. It's quite long, so at the beginning it takes quite some time. Let me just sort this out before doing it. Okay, so this is how I do it. I know that on camera it looks a bit easier when I'm doing it. Okay, cool. What's happening? Okay, let's make sure that everything is fine here. Let's see. Cool. Okay. Okay. So this part here, it needs to be facing this way. So okay, so I've got this band over here, so you put it inside this band. Oops, 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 oops. And you go and go and go and go. Okay. Okay, let us go. Oh, this is how long it is, you guys. Like, it's quite long. Okay, this thing, super long, but it does its job. So that's what I like about it. It's quite long, but it does the trick. It does what it's supposed to do. Maybe let me put my jean below so that we do this correctly. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, sorry YouTube, but hey. Okay, so I'm gonna put it over here so that you guys can see. Okay, so I start over here and I wrap it. Oopsie. So I can really understand why people are saying that on YouTube it's quite fast and you can't really like see what's going on. So I'll roll it until it is finished, you guys. Oopsie. Just make sure that when you're pulling it, you grab it tightly so that it does what it's supposed to to your stomach. Oh my gosh. Oh, this hair. Can you guys see that? Make sure that it is even and it's sitting properly on you and that you're not hurting yourself. Oops. Oopsie. Okay, so I'm going to turn and I'm going to put it in here. Then I put my jeans up and I'm done. So it's super easy, except that at the beginning of the video it takes a bit longer. So this is how it looks, you guys. Like, this is how my stomach looks now, and you can see that nothing is rolling. Like, can you see that? This is how it's supposed to sit. So that's why it needs to have a width that is a bit larger and not so small. So this is it, you guys. This is a 4 meter. This is how it sits. What do you guys think? So it's like this because I don't have a big stomach, but I think if I did, then it would sit a bit better. So this is it, you guys. I hope you guys are seeing this properly. Can you see that? Can you see my waist? Can you see my butt? Like, I'm snatched, honey. I'm snatched. Then you can wear like a top over it so that people can't see it and it's not visible. But underneath, you are snatched, my honey. Like, everything looks good and you're totally good to go. So this feels fine, but I think it's okay if you're gonna wear it like to work or at home, but I don't think it's something that I would wear like to the gym, because to the gym I like wearing this waist trainer. This waist trainer is also part of my collection. This is what I wear to the gym. So this one I would wear it at home while chilling at home or while running my errands. That one as well, but I think this one is more suitable for everything. But this one is for like wearing underneath, or when you want your stomach to be snatched, basically, because you can't see this one underneath clothing, but you can see this one. So that's why I'm saying that you can wear this one to work. You can also wear this one when you're running your errands, but that one I would wear it at the gym and at home because I'm at home. But if I'm going outside, then I wouldn't be wearing that one because it's visible and people can see it. So yeah, guys, this is it. Nanso okay. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so this is going for 450, you guys. So yes, this is it, honey. So thank you very much for tuning in, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. Oh, I'll also insert my website so that if you guys want this, you can order it as well. So I'll just link my website so that you guys can order. So until next time, guys, it is peace from me. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.